Hello. So let's set up and prepare our scene for hand paint texturing. So let's go to File, New, select our FBX file, open, OK. So this is actually our model. And the first one, what I want to do is to get rid of all unnecessary channels, because all lights, highlights, shadows, and AOs we will be baking directly to the base color or diffuse map. So let's remove the other channels. Let's go to the texture set settings and delete every single channel except base color. Okay, now we can save our project. Let's overwrite on the previously saved. Okay, yes. And the next one, I just want to import our previously baked maps to this project. I want to mention one more time that by link in the description below, I will provide all necessary files and texture maps that you can start directly your texturing journey. So let's import our maps. Let's go to the folder where they located and just drag them to our asset folder. Holding shift, select all maps, pick texture, and import them to the project. Import. Okay, now all maps already in our project. Let's connect them to our mesh by mesh maps selecting. Okay, select normal map over here, wall space normal, occlusion, curvature, position, and thickness in case we'll need it in the future. So let's check them in the 3D view by clicking B button. So this is ambient occlusion, this is curvature, this is position, thickness, normal, and world space normal. Okay, I think all necessary maps already in the scene and set up correctly. Just want to pointing out on that we will be working only in a base color view mode. As I mentioned before, all lights, highlights, shadows, AOs, etc. we will be baking and painting directly on the base color. And the material preview mode with the integrated environment with light will be distracting us from our hand painting stuff. So we will be sticking only in a base color view mode. And now let's create the folder for every material. So let's get rid of default layer. Create first one folder for leaves top. Next one for the leaves bottom. One more for the root. Next one for the body. One more for the eyes. And the last one for the mud. Okay, folders were created, and now let's add to every folder a black mask. And now let's click F1 and select corresponding UV layouts for every folder. So let's go to the polygon fill tool, select UV, hold Alt and left click on the mask, and select UV island that's related to the leaves top. Then click on the leaves bottom, select this islands. For the root, we will pick this one. For body, these two islands. For eyes, this one. And for mud, let's just add a super roughly paint for now that we will tweak much more later. So let's go to the paint tool, make super hard brush, and just paint a mask that where our mud will be located. So I just want to mention one more time that we will tweak this mask much more later when we will be texturing this part. So let's double check it, all our masks. So this is a mud, this is eyes, body, root, leaves bottom, and leaves top. So yeah, I think all necessary folders were created and we can start working on the textures. So see you in the next part where we will be working on the leaves top. See ya. Bye.